Good morning everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to share quiz with our co-teacher. It involves 6 steps. We already know the first 2 steps, that is creating a group in Edmodo and sharing it with our co-teacher for them to join. In this video, I will explain you the steps from 3 to 6. So let's start.
This is my main account. From here I want to share quiz to my co-teachers. Go to library. Here I am going to create my folder which I want to share with my co-teacher. Click on new folder. Give a name to your folder. Select the grade, subject, and then click add folder. You can see grade 3 quiz folder here. Now when I open it, you can see that there is no quiz inside it. Now how to bring our quiz here? Go to library. See, whenever we create our quiz, they are always inside my quizzes folder. So open my quizzes. Suppose I want to share this quiz chapter 3 keyboard. Move the mouse towards right. You can find a down arrow. Click on it. Click on copy. From here, choose the folder grade 3 quiz. So what happens here is it creates a copy of this quiz in grade 3 quiz folder. This quiz is here also, and if I go and see in grade 3 quiz, here also the quiz is there, copy of chapter 3 keyboard. Now what is the problem here is when I click on down arrow of this quiz, there is no option of sharing. In Edmodo we cannot share quiz directly, but we can share a folder with our co-teacher, and when we share a folder we are able to share all its content also with the co-teacher, with our co-teacher. So click on the down arrow, click on share. This is the group which I have created for my co-teacher, so put a tick mark and click done. Okay, now your folder along with the quiz is shared. Now what I have done here is I have created one co-teacher account, one separate account. So let me go to the co-teacher account. You can see here co-teacher account. This is the group sharing quiz grade 3. Click on it. Now when you open it, you can't find the quiz here. So where is the quiz? You need to click on the folders, which is here on the left side. Click on the folders. Now here you can find that folder grade 3 quiz. When I open this folder, I can find the quiz. Now all I need to do is just assign it to my class. So click on the down arrow, assign. The due date, suppose I want it for tomorrow, so due date, set the time like morning 9 o'clock, 9:15 a.m. Add to gradebook, send to. There I have created one dummy class also here, student, so I will choose the class, then assign. Wait for a few seconds, one message will come that it has been successfully assigned. So you will get this message that successfully assigned, then click on got it. Now let's check the student class. Here you can see that your quiz has been posted in this class. Suppose co-teacher wants to share quiz with other teacher. Let us follow the same procedure. Go to library. I have already created the folder which we want to share. Click on the down arrow, share. Here you cannot find the group which we were using, that is sharing quiz grade 3. So how to share it? The problem here is the owner of the group, the person who has created this group, has not made other teacher as co-teacher. When you make other teacher as co-teacher, they are able to share and behave as if owner. So let me take you back to the owner group, the first group. The main account which we were seeing. Go to the group sharing quiz grade 3. Click on members. See here, co-teacher, it is just written the teacher. Now click on the 3 dots here and choose co-teacher. Now let's go back to the co-teacher account. Now can we try it again? Click on the down arrow, go for share and see, you can see this group here, sharing quiz grade 3. Put a tick mark if it is not there and click on done. So now the co-teacher has shared one of his quiz with the other teachers. Let's switch back to the main account and see. Okay, so this is the sharing quiz grade 3 group. Click on folders. So now here you can see two folders. First is the grade 3 quiz which was shared by the owner. Then is sharing co-teacher folder which is shared by the co-teacher.